You're connected to your VPN, trying to watch a quick video. Suddenly the player freezes. You get a black screen with a message that reads, VPN or proxy detected. Please sign in to confirm you're not a bot. Or worse, a never-ending loop of CAPTCHAs. You disconnect your VPN and the video plays instantly. It feels like Google is holding your access hostage unless you hand over your real home IP address or log in so they can tie your entire watch history directly to your identity. Today we're going to look at the exact engineering behind how YouTube is detecting and blacklisting your VPN, and more importantly, how to bypass these blocks completely without ever logging into a Google account. First, let's address how does YouTube actually know you're on a VPN? After all, your traffic is encrypted, right? Well, yes, but encryption only hides the content of your data, not the metadata of your connection. There are two main ways YouTube pulls this off. Data center IP range flags. Commercial VPNs host their servers in massive enterprise data centers like Linode, DigitalOcean, or AWS. Google maintains a continuously updated block list of these data center IP ranges. Because normal home users get their IPs from residential ISPs like Comcast, Verizon, or Spectrum, any connection originating from a data center IP is instantly flagged as suspicious. Shared IP traffic volume. When you connect to a popular VPN server, say a New York exit node, you aren't the only one. Hundreds or even thousands of other users are routed through that exact same IP address simultaneously. To YouTube's security filters, a single IP address requesting thousands of video packets at the same time is the textbook definition of a botnet or a view-botting script. So, Google triggers the prove you're not a bot wall. On top of that, Google frequently pushes background ad blocker and player API updates. This triggers a brutal game of whack-a-mole for popular open source frontends like FreeTube, NewPipe, and Nvidia's. One day your client works perfectly, and the next day it's completely broken until community developers scramble to push a patch. So how do we fix it? Disconnecting your VPN entirely shouldn't be your only option. Let's walk through the exact steps to restore your privacy-friendly viewing experience. The easiest fix is to change your routing strategy. If a video fails to play on your front-end application, back out to the search results, switch your VPN location, and reload. But don't just pick random locations. Target these specific regions. Connect to a VPN server in Albania. YouTube ads are heavily restricted or outlawed there, meaning YouTube has very little financial incentive to serve ads or aggressively block VPN IP ranges in that region. Iceland is highly favored for its strict structural privacy laws and acts as an incredibly reliable fallback location when US and European servers are blacklisted. If your dedicated desktop or mobile apps are completely down and you just want to watch a video immediately, use the Brave browser. Open a private or incognito window in Brave while leaving your VPN active. Brave's aggressive native shields block trackers, and because of how Brave manages session states, it successfully bypasses Google's bot detection on both mobile and desktop with 0 account logins, 0 ads, and 0 lag. If you are a Molvad user, you don't have to completely abandon US servers. Popular cities like New York have specific server series, specifically the 80X servers, such as 803 or 805, that bypass YouTube's CAPTCHAs and blocks entirely. Furthermore, you can bypass data center flags in desktop clients like FreeTube by configuring a SOCKS 5 proxy. By routing FreeTube's internal traffic specifically through Molvad's SOCKS 5 proxy over specialized M247 servers, you add an extra residential-like hop that throws off YouTube's automated tracking. If you are using Proton VPN, Try routing your traffic through their paid Secure Core servers. Secure Core routes your traffic through hardened, privacy-friendly jurisdictions like Switzerland, Iceland, or Sweden before exiting to your target country. This multi-hop architecture dramatically reduces the likelihood of triggering IP reputation blocks. The battle between corporate platforms wanting your data and users wanting their digital autonomy isn't going away anytime soon. Google wants you to log in because your profile and your watch history are highly monetizable. But by implementing these simple network configurations, you can reclaim your anonymous viewing experience.